Oh god, it's so dark in here, and I can't reach anything. I can't see. Oh wait, well, oh, now it's better. But what's that? What you just saw there is my latest invention, which is a small pocket flashlight, a survival gadget. And what I mean by a survival gadget is that it's operating on a 9-volt battery. It's tiny, it's pretty strong. The shape is pretty cool. The housing is nice also, and the LED on the front are 5-watt LED, all in series. It's operating on a 9-volt battery, like I mentioned, and there's a small screen here. And let's power this up. Bienvenue, Phil. Welcome, Phil. We have the date, the time, and we have a small motivation quote, which currently it's restricted. Stay sharp in the dark. In the dark. I mean, I think it's in the dark, but we'll power it back on and see what it has to say. How many stars in the? I have to fix this, okay? In the sky. You are in another CA. You are in another in another castle. Let's part up and have a quote. Yeah, light cuts the dark. And every 6 minutes, the quote will change. The quote will change, and it's randomly generated in a seed of 15 quotes. So basically, it's just like a small table companion that you leave on the desk, on your desk, like that, and you can see like some quote, the time, the date. When you don't know, when you work too hard and you don't know what date it is, it's good to have these, especially when your phone is used as a recording camera. And if you power this off, you still have the flashlight working. Like I mentioned, it's operating on a single 9-volt battery. Everything is housed tightly inside because I have a small power distribution board which takes the 9-volt and regulate it into a 5-volt, and to power up a small Arduino Nano, in the powered up a RTC, which is the real-time clock, as well as the OLED, the OLED screen. So that's my latest gadget. It's small, tiny, simple, but it's finished at least, and I'm really happy with this. I think I'll decorate it. I think I'll decorate the top with a glow-in-the-dark acrylic pen, just because it could be nice. Again, thanks for watching my content and just encouraging me with these kind of stuff, because recently I've been posting in many repair and how-to video. I feel like this kind of video is useful, and it helps a lot of the community and people in the electronic world. But this is not the kind of content I am really thrilled or excited to create, because 12 years ago, when I followed the professional course, the repair electronic repair course, I was really excited to learn about electronic, but in the end, all we did was learn how to repair stuff. And I was more of a inventor or designer. I have a creative mind, and I felt like repairing is the base. It's nice to understand how things work, but that's not really the path I wanted to go through, and that's why I ended up like designing my own circuit and creating weird, funky gadget, quirky stuff and device. And I'll continue to do that because that's really what I like. And I know I'm good at starting things and having ideas. Finishing stuff is a challenge for me, and I feel like having people to support me, back me, on just like watching my stuff, watching my videos, and commenting is really appreciated, and it encouraged me to just continue like inventing stuff and showing you my gadget. So again, thanks for watching the video, and stay tuned to my channel because I feel like there's a lot of potential and it's not fully exploited yet.
Son, how do you push stop on that?